Let me see.
Going for a spot there, Marbles.
Oh, what's this?
Should be getting that hand movement in there. Look, she's doing more.
I know.
Guess what Mary's doing?
No, she already had some in there.
Huh?
She already had some in there.
No, it's the video. Guess what Mary's doing? Pumping it out.
Oh.
Angela finishes at 9 tonight, doesn't she?
She'll call us. It's a leg raiser.